Ever since I was a wee girl, I struggled to draw eyes. I just couldn't figure it out. Did I want to follow that tutorial I watched about realistic super rendered eyes, or the one about big anime eyes that made it impossible to draw boys? Either way, I always turned out with something like this. I'm here to show you my foolproof hybrid method, a semi-realistic style that you can draw for any character and make them look sexy as heck. And you can learn it in less than 6 minutes. Open your favorite drawing program or follow with a pencil and paper. Either way, I don't really care. So first, put all those years in child prison to the test and sketch out a parallelogram. Make this the best parallelogram you've ever drawn in your life, because if you want to be internet famous, you're going to have to make some effort. This will be our guideline. Start with the top lash. Trace along the shape, but be sure to round that baby at the edge. Trace straight to the end. I know how much you secretly want to wing it, and I should convince you not to, but feel free to indulge, because I sure as heck will. For the bottom lash, just follow the guideline and curve the bottom edge again, but make this curve a little sharper. Don't worry about the lines not being perfect, just embrace their flaws and imperfections. Draw a half circle for the iris and you're done with that. Now this eye might look a little less than stellar, but we haven't gotten to the secret ingredient, love. You may think I jest, but I'm for real. Do your eye a favor and make that top lash thicker. You heard me. It is imperative that your characters look like they're wearing eyeliner. It always makes people look better, so why can't it do the same for your characters? Add some details like some lashes if you desire. If you want to draw lashes right, draw a line down the center and voila, it's like magic. Now you can draw lashes to your heart's content. Liquify is your friend. Use it to correct or adjust anything that looks weird, and if you don't have Liquify or you're using a pen and paper, you could just sit in a corner and cry. Lay down some base colors. Pick the color of your eye and color in the whites. Do not touch that pure white for the eye. It makes your character look crazy. Choose a light beige or purple color instead. Trust me guys, it won't look so discolored by the time we're done. Now let's do some painting. My coloring style is very simple and there's nothing wrong with that. Artists like Piccolo and Lychee Doodles are notorious for their very simple shading and coloring that still looks pleasing to the eye. You don't need to render a ton to make your OCs look hot as. Take a dark reddish color and add some shadows. Lower the opacity and soften it with a soft eraser or blending brush. Keep some hard edges to keep the illusion of confidence in your strokes. Before we start the skin, we need to lay down the undertones. This will give your drawing depth without all that wacky rendering. Now I see people talk a lot of smack about the airbrush, but it's one of my favorite tools for doing this. Whip it out and go over with a dark blue or purple color. Don't forget a red for the cheeks because we want our characters to look alive. Your character might be looking like they just got jumped in an alley, but trust the process. Make another layer and go over with another darkish red color. Lower the opacity if it's too dark. Add some highlights and you're done. Here's a speed paint of the whole thing if you want to watch it all at once. Just a disclaimer, the way I draw eyes isn't the only way, or even the right way, it's just the best way. But seriously, if you follow this tutorial, don't be afraid to make any little changes to make it your own. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you, and it'll let me know if y'all want more. Check out my Instagram too. Take care, and I will see you in the next one.